to discuss Sastra admissions 2025. In this video, we'll discuss everything you need to know about this year's admission. The applications are already underway, being April 6, 2025, and they go on well until June 14th of 2025. In this video, we'll be covering the admission process, the, the ranks which you get based on your marks in boards and the JEE entrance examination, the course selection order which you should ideally be putting, the admission grounds, and the refund policy. Stay tuned for all the details. Here is the overview of the of the admission process. The start date is April 6th, as already mentioned, and ends on June 14th. The admissions in Sastra are done in a unique way, having splitting the students into Stream 1 and Stream 2. The Stream 1 consists of your board marks and your annual JEE scores being split into 50-50, on the basis of which you are given ranks. Stream 2 is 100% 12 board marks. This means that you do not need to write JEE in order to secure admission in Sastra University. An Excel sheet has been prepared, which gives the previous year stats of Stream 1 rank, the Stream 2 rank, which people have gotten, their corresponding marks, and the course which they can secure. The link for this Excel sheet will be provided in our description so that you can refer to it and get an idea of what course you can get in Sastra with your marks. This is for different states. Similarly, with each branch, we have given what possible ranks you have to get in order to get that branch. Please refer to this Excel sheet which has been given in our description box. Explaining how to arrange your course preferences. Obviously, choosing what interests you is the best way to go. You have to consider your course with regards to several factors, which includes job opportunities, the department reputation in the college, the previous year cutoffs, and the placements in that branch in that particular college. In Sastra, the popular courses are CS, which is core, the electronics and communication engineering, information technology, and of course, the core engineering options, which include mechanical, civil, and bioengineering. Sastra offers several such courses, which I urge you to go check out in the website. That being said, this is the preferable order that you can put in the website in order to make sure that you get the top courses in our college. The process of sliding and getting seats in the college. After your preferences have been submitted, you will be allotted a seat in round 1. It may or may not be the choice that you require. However, in order to proceed to the next round, to either slide to the course you want or stay in the course you want, you need to be paying the fees which has been given in the website. Now I'll be explaining the refund policy. In the worst case that you do not get the course that you want in Sastra, there is a refund policy which is clear-cut and transparent. Your money is very safe with Sastra, and not a single penny will be deducted other than the processing fees. However, you have to keep in mind that if you request for refund after admission and before classes have been started, only a partial refund will be given. However, only a little bit of amount will be refunded once classes are started. Open throughout the admission process. Make sure that you keep your documents ready throughout the process and you stay updated on Sastra's website, as they constantly give updates which may or may not be reflected to you by personal notification. Also stay updated with us, like and subscribe for more content.